شهر رمضان الذي أنزل فيه القرآن.
Shaykh, the 5 odd nights of Ramadan are coming. How to find Laylatul Qadr and how to observe it?
Well, first of all, let me make dua for you and for all of people who are watching and all of those who are not watching and all of those Muslims around the world and believers, both men, women and children, and for also those people who I like to call potential Muslims, that may Allah make this night, give us this night, bless us in this night, and make this a life changer for us for the better. This is a great opportunity. And people usually also ask me that why Allah or His Messenger sallallahu alaihi wasallam, why did they not specify a single night? And I think it's a great thing. Well, first of all, if it was only one night, and if somebody would fall sick on the night, or somebody had to go to the hospital, or somebody just did not feel well, or had some other emergency, then he could not or she could not have availed this night. So Allah's Messenger sallallahu alaihi wasallam, he taught us the 5 odd nights. So we've got 5 chances. If you don't get the first time, we have the second chance, and we have the third chance, and we have the fourth chance, and the 5th chance. And every night, of course, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala descends to the first heaven and He calls out to people. We all know about that. In Ramadan, the intensity of all these events multiplies by thousands and thousands of times. This night really comes if you value it and actually value it. So what I would suggest is, first of all, in our previous videos, we talked about eating less or not overeating. So take energy, conserve energy, rest. The first thing you do is rest. So you have the energy and the capacity to stand up at night, not feeling tired or sleepy. This is a little trade secret I'm telling you. And then the next thing is plan it. Do you have the Qiyamul Layl, or you have the Taraweeh, and you have the Tilawat of the Holy Quran, and you have all these events you're doing, all the activities that you're doing. But the most important activity that you should not forget doing is to make dua and to ask of Allah. And what to ask of Him? Ask Him for Him. Ask Him for His love. Ask Him that for His irfan, for the knowledge of Allah, the closeness of Allah, for His taqwa, for His love. This is the most important thing to ask. So celebrate this night, plan this night, and make some time to be alone also with Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Make some time, put quality into it, put your heart into it, and see. Another question people ask me, how will I know it's Laylatul Qadr? Well, when you will put all these things into that heart, you will know, inshallah. So may Allah bless us with Laylatul Qadr, and may Allah make us value it, and may Allah bless us all in it. One last thing. Another secret I'm going to tell you. If you really want to avail this Laylatul Qadr, a very simple formula. Make dua to Allah. Ask Him to give it to you.